Do you often wake up in the middle of the night because of leg cramps that feel like your muscles are being torn, and all you can do is hold your calf and gasp for breath in desperation? If this keeps happening every week and you haven't found how to stop leg cramps at night after 60, your body may slowly adapt to the pain until one day you lose control of your legs without even realizing it. What seems like a brief cramp can lead to ongoing soreness, inflammation, and mornings where every step feels like a struggle. In this video, I'll share 5 simple ways to help you get rid of nightly cramps, especially for those looking for how to stop leg cramps at night after 60. And if you truly care about your leg health after 60, leave a comment with the number 1 below. I'll continue making more helpful videos on all kinds of leg issues, so you and others can follow along. Let's start with the first solution, simple, but extremely effective when done right. Solution 1. Proper magnesium intake to prevent nighttime cramps. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating muscle and nerve function. A deficiency can cause involuntary muscle contractions, leading to painful night leg cramps seniors often endure during sleep. It also contributes to magnesium leg pain, a dull, tight ache in the calves, accompanied by heavy fatigue when you get out of bed. This is an early sign of muscle cramps in elderly that many people miss. A study in the Journal of Integrative Medicine showed that seniors who took 300 milligrams of magnesium daily experienced a noticeable reduction in nighttime cramps within 4 weeks. You can increase your magnesium intake through foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, black beans, oats, and ripe bananas. For those with absorption issues, try magnesium citrate supplements. It's easier to absorb and gentler on digestion. This is one of the most effective drug-free cramp solutions, especially for those looking for reliable methods on how to stop leg cramps at night after 60. But magnesium alone isn't enough. There's a common mistake many people make daily, one that seems harmless, but silently triggers those painful cramps. Let's see if you're making this mistake. Solution 2. Stay properly hydrated. Your muscles need both water and electrolytes to function smoothly. When you're dehydrated, especially at night, muscle fibers are more likely to contract suddenly, causing severe night leg cramps seniors wake up from in agony. A common myth is that drinking lots of plain water is enough. But without electrolytes, overhydration can dilute your levels of magnesium, sodium, and potassium, worsening sleep cramps over 60. A review in Sleep Medicine Reviews emphasized that even mild electrolyte imbalance increases the risk of muscle cramps in elderly, especially at night. Instead of just plain water, spread your intake throughout the day and include natural electrolyte sources like coconut water, veggie broth, light bone soups, or add a pinch of mineral salt to your water. It's one of the simplest but most forgotten ways on how to stop leg cramps at night after 60. Even if you're hydrating and replenishing electrolytes, if the cramps persist, your nightly routine might be the problem. In the next part, we'll uncover this hidden habit and how to fix it in just minutes a day. If you're still watching, comment number 2 to let me know you're still with me. Solution 3. Stretch your legs before bed. Your legs work hard all day, but if you go to bed without gently stretching them, you may unknowingly trap them in tension, which often leads to night leg cramps seniors experience. Stretching helps relax muscle fibers, improves blood flow, and reduces nighttime cramping risk. It's one of the easiest ways on how to stop leg cramps at night. After 60, no pills or equipment needed. Just 5 to 10 minutes each night, focus on calves, hamstrings, and feet. For example, sit with legs extended, loop a towel around your foot, and gently pull it toward you. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathe steadily, then switch sides. A mild calf stretch means it's working. Over time, sleep cramps over 60 will ease, and your sleep will deepen. This is also one of the most sustainable natural cramp relief methods for people over 60, safe, simple, and effective. If you want more natural ways to ease leg pain after 60, check out the playlist Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP. Tips in the video description. Still experiencing soreness despite stretching? Your muscles might be missing a crucial soft fuel most people ignore. Let's move to the next solution. Solution 4. Warm baths and proper leg massage. A warm bath before bed relaxes the whole body, especially cramp-prone leg muscles. Heat boosts blood flow to the limbs, relieves tight areas, and lowers the risk of night leg cramps seniors dread. Soak your feet or bathe for 15 to 20 minutes in warm water. Add Epsom salt for extra relief, or essential oils like lavender or peppermint to promote deeper sleep. After the bath, gently massage your legs while still warm. Use circular motions from your soles up to your calves. This softens muscle tissue and eases magnesium leg pain, a common cause of sleep cramps over 60. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, or magnesium oil for added benefit. Nightly massages are not only relaxing, but also part of effective drug-free cramp solutions that you can stick with long-term. It's a vital step in learning how to stop leg cramps at night after 60 naturally and safely. Still feeling leg weakness or tightness? The real issue might lie deeper in the nutrients that fuel your muscles daily. The next solution could be the game changer. Solution 5. Rebuild muscle with essential nutrition. Many older adults try stretching, warm baths, and hydration, but still suffer from night leg cramps seniors face. A hidden reason could be poor muscle recovery nutrition, especially common after 60. As we age, our bodies struggle more to absorb protein and key nutrients. If your daily meals lack magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6, your muscles weaken and are more prone to cramping. That's why sleep cramps over 60 happen even with a healthy routine. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets rich in magnesium and B6 significantly reduce muscle cramps in elderly, while improving sleep and lowering prolonged magnesium leg pain. You can get these nutrients from foods like sunflower seeds, avocado, salmon, whole grains, or nut-based milk. Stick with fresh, natural foods instead of relying on pills. This is one of the most reliable drug-free cramp solutions, gentle on sensitive digestive systems. This is the simplest yet most lasting way to prevent night leg cramps seniors suffer from by addressing the root cause, not just the symptoms. You can break free from those painful nightly cramps with these proven drug-free cramp solutions. Not only will they help you sleep better, but you'll also wake up with stronger legs, ready to walk with confidence at any age. These are practical and lasting natural cramp relief strategies that older adults can easily adopt, not only to ease pain, but also to improve sleep quality. If you found these tips helpful, comment number 9 and feel free to share your symptoms so I can tailor more videos just for you. And if you'd like to continue your journey toward healthier legs after 60, don't forget to check out the Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP Tips playlist linked in the description.